How to use Royal Bank of Scotland card reader. The Royal Bank of Scotland, RBS, is a leading UK bank that provides retail and commercial services, including bank accounts, mortgages, loans, and savings to individuals and small to medium-sized businesses. Place your card into the card reader, ensuring the card number matches the one displayed on your digital banking screen. On the card reader, enter your PIN and press Enter. The card reader will display an 8-digit passcode. This passcode is unique and generated each time you use the reader. That's it. The code authorizes your action, whether it's logging in or approving a payment. For example, if you're paying someone new, digital banking will ask for this code after you enter the payment details. Thanks for watching.